In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Closing Time by Semisonic off of their album Feeling Strangely Fine. And if that sounds good to you, smash that like button and stay tuned. What's up, alt rockers? America's favorite guitar playing ginger is back with another guitar lesson. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Scott, and on this channel we learn how to play the best rock songs of the past and how to produce the best rock songs of the future. Leave a comment down below if Closing Time was your favorite song of the 2000s, and let's dive in. This song's gonna be in standard tuning, and it's gonna open up with this piano part. Now, if you wanna play this part on the guitar, I'll show you how to do that. So it's gonna sound like this piano part. Okay, so that's 7th fret 1st string, alternating with 8th fret 2nd. Then we bring in the 10th fret of the 1st, still alternating with 8th fret 2nd. Then we bring in 8th fret 1st, still alternating with 8th fret 2nd. So it sounds like this in full. Then the guitar kicks in with this. So what we're doing there is just using power chords. So we start with the G power chord, that's 3rd fret, 6th string. The rhythm is down, 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 up. And then we switch to the next chord. Next chord is this D power chord, so that's 5th fret, 5th string, but we're also going to include the 5th fret of the 6th string in the bass. So we have 5th fret, 6th and 5th string, and then 7th fret, 4th and 3rd. So that's the next chord. So we have this, and then jump to this chord where we play this rhythm. So that's down, up, down, down. So far. And then we do another down up to transition to the next chord, which is an A power chord. So we just move the pinky and the ring finger over, because this is the power chord on the 5th fret of the 6th string. And then we come up to this C power chord. Again, we'll include the 6th string in the root. So we have 3rd fret, 6th and 5th string, 5th fret, 4th and 3rd string. And then we repeat. Speed it up a little bit. So the guitar will play that part throughout the intro and the verse, and then we kick into the first chorus. In the first chorus, we're going to be playing the same chord structure, but we're going to be using these open style chords. So it'll sound like this. Okay, so we have this this variation of a G. So it's just like a G major chord, but we're going to eliminate the first finger and mute the 5th string. So this is actually a variation of a G power chord as well. So we have 3rd fret on the 6th string, and then we have 3rd fret on the 1st and 2nd string, and then an open 3rd string and 4th string. Okay, and the right hand pattern is down, down, and then we do 4 chickas. So that's just swiping the strings, resting my fingers on the strings, and resting my palm on the strings down here. So we have, and then we go to the next chord, which is a D major chord. So hit that twice. Then we do 2 chickas into the A minor chord. 4 more chickas, and then transition into this C. What we're going to do is include the G in the root, so that's 3rd fret 6th string in the root, and then otherwise it's just a C major chord. Hit that twice, and then we repeat. So all together slow. So repeat 4 times. And then we kick back into the 2nd verse now. So we'll play a 2nd verse and a 2nd chorus, the same as the first, and then we enter a bridge section. Now in the bridge, there's no guitar, it's just instrumentals, keyboards, bass, and then coming out of the bridge, what we're going to do is we're going to play this part on the guitar. So that's kind of the guitar solo in this song. So what we're going to do is we're playing these octave swipes. So we have 5th string, 3rd fret, and that'll include the 5th fret of the 3rd string. Okay, so that's the first octave. We go 3rd fret, 5th fret, 7th fret, and then slide up to 10th fret. And then we come down and play those chords that we were playing in the chorus. Okay, and then the next octave, set of octave swipes. Now instead of playing on the 5th string, we're moving to the 4th string. So we're playing 4th and 2nd string octave swipes. Starting here, 2nd fret of the 4th string, including 5th fret of the 2nd string. That's the first octave. So we have 2nd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, slide up to 9th fret. And then come back and play those chorus chords. And then we repeat that twice. Okay, and then at this point, we'll kick back into that verse part momentarily. And then we kick into the final chorus here, same as the first. Now this final chorus is extended, so we're still playing this rhythm guitar part. So we'll play this as normal. And then what you'll hear is this guitar kick in with it as we're playing the extended chorus. And as we come out of that last extended chorus, we'll go back into the verse part one more time. Was Closing Time the best bar song ever? Comment down below. And while you're down there, click the subscribe button to join the congregation and get more guitar lessons and videos every single week. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, hug the gingers in your life, because we do, in fact, have souls.